Are you getting failed to load library EVR.dll when opening Roblox on PC? This error usually happens because Windows media components are missing or corrupted. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step, and one of these will fix the problem for sure. Let's jump straight in. Fix 1. Install Media Feature Pack. Most important fix. First, this error happens mostly when Media Feature Pack is missing. Open Settings. Click System. Scroll down and open Optional Features. Click View Features. In the search box, type Media Feature Pack. If available, select it and click Install. Restart your PC. If Media Feature Pack is not visible, follow this instead. Press Windows+R. Type Optional Features. Press Enter. Expand Media Features. Tick both checkboxes. Click OK. Restart your PC. Now try opening Roblox. Fix 2. Reinstall Windows Media Components. Sometimes Windows media files are broken. Press Windows+R. Type Optional Features. Uncheck Media Features. Click OK and restart. After restart, open Optional Features again. Re-enable Media Features. Restart your PC again. This refreshes the EVR.dll dependency. Fix 3. Repair system files. Corrupted system files can break EVR.dll. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run this command. sfc/scannow. Wait for the scan to complete. After that, run DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Restart your PC. Now relaunch Roblox. Fix 4. Reinstall DirectX. EVR.dll depends on DirectX components. Open your browser. Download DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft. Install it. Restart your PC. Fix 5. Repair Visual C++ Redistributables. Missing runtime files can break Roblox. Download both. Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 x64. Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 x86. Install both. Restart your PC. Fix 6. Manual EVR.dll replacement. Only use this if nothing else works. Download EVR.dll 64-bit from a trusted DLL website. Extract the file. Copy EVR.dll. Paste it into this PC local disk, C, Windows, System 32. Restart your PC. Launch Roblox again. Fix 7. Clean Roblox reinstall. If error still appears, uninstall Roblox. Press Windows+R. Type %localappdata%. Delete the Roblox folder. Restart PC. Reinstall Roblox from official website. After completing these steps, Roblox should launch without the EVR.dll error. This method fixes the issue for most Windows 10 and Windows 11 users. If this video helped you fix Roblox, drop a quick like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more PC game fixes, Windows errors, and performance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.
Off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.